Happy New Year! I can't believe it's already 2025. So today I wanted to show you my best and most used products of 2024. So let's get started. First product is a lipstick. This is from the brand called HINCE. It's a Korean brand and it's in the shade Allure. This is my favorite lipstick of the entire year. I used it all year long. I don't know why all my lipstick always ends up like that, like the shape. And you know what's funny? My mom's lipsticks also have the same exact shape. This is like the perfect shade for my complexion. It's like my lip but better. It's what I also have on my lips today. It's a matte velvet finish. It's long lasting and non-drying. It's like the perfect rosy shade with like a purple undertone. Next, this is the ROVECTIN multi-oil. So I've been using this all year long. I have really dry skin, especially on my body. So this is the only thing that helped my dry, like elbows and knees. Like I tried everything. I tried so many different creams, moisturizers, but nothing was helping my elbows. But as soon as I added this into my body lotion, it all went away. So this is still currently my favorite lotion, the CeraVe. So mix your body lotion with a couple drops of this oil and your skin will be so hydrated. It's hypoallergenic and I think there's no scent, so I love this. Yeah, and it doesn't make my lotion like sticky or anything when I add this into the product. You can add this oil into your hair, body, and your face, but I've only tried my body and I love it. This is a facial cream. This is from a brand called isFrom and this is also Korean. I believe this is a startup company that's not like widely known yet. I added it into my skincare routine and my face. It made so much difference. All my redness went away. It's so hydrating and it also has hyaluronic acid in here and matrix something 3000. There is like a wood scent to it. This helps with moisturizing, UV damage, wrinkle smoothing, elasticity, and it also helps improve your tone. So I wish it did come with some type of scoop because I don't like dipping my hands into a product. So the product is white. A lot of the facial creams that I've tried is very thick, but this is on the lighter side. But seriously, once you apply this on your face, you'll know like how hydrating this product is. I also wanted to show you my favorite eyeshadow. I've been wearing this like for months now. This is Korean brand called LAKA and 905 Modernist. So this is very similar shade to my favorite lipstick. So they both have like a mauve, like a rosy purple undertone. This shadow is also what I have on my eyes today. Let's apply some more. So I noticed a lot of Korean eyeshadows, it's either like powdery or the color doesn't really show up that much, but then the LAKA ones is very pigmented. As you can see the colors and I have it in 4 different shades and I love all 4. So if you ever go to Korea, check this out. As this literally saved my feet. So this is the Stone Set, the professional one. So it came with 4, I already used one. Oh my gosh, so my feet, the heels of my feet, it was so dry and it was like cracking. It was very hard. It was like white. Like I couldn't get rid of it. I tried so many moisturizers, Vaseline. I tried a lot of different stones and like very similar ones to this, but nothing worked. But then this, literally, after I used it one time, it all went away. My heels are so soft and smooth now. So when I was younger, of course, my feet was so soft. But then as I was aging, my heels started getting very hard. I think it's because like your pressure, a lot of pressure goes into it. So like the balls of your feet and your heels tend to get hard skin. So there's 2 different sizes. One's like the stronger size, so I start off with the strong one and then end it with, I think it was the light blue one. Get in the shower for about 10 minutes and even though your feet isn't like soaked into water, like your feet is wet while the water is like falling down to your body. So after that, I just started scrubbing this with some body soap and all went away and then like the entire thing turned white. So I tossed it in the trash. I think it's better to throw it away after each use. My favorite fragrance of 2024 is this Chanel Chance. It smells so sexy, lovely, romantic, all of the above. So So I've been using this all year. So this is the perfume and this is the body mist. I got this as a birthday gift. And then I also carry some with me in my bag. So literally when I went to Korea, all my friends and like people, like random people were asking what fragrance I use because I smelled so good. So I was like, oh, Chanel Chance. Even my friend Suing, she's like, you smell so good. What is that? Before I discovered this one, my favorite was the YSL. And even my friend Joan, she used to be like, oh, every time I smell that YSL fragrance, it reminds me of you. But now, this is me. And last is an eyeliner. This is from CLIO. It's a Korean brand. This is the Kill Black Waterproof Liquid Liner in obviously black color. And I use it today to tie line my waterline. I'm so picky with my eyeliners. And I've tried like Etude House and other Korean liquid liners, but this is far most my favorite liquid liner. It's like so black and it glides on so nicely onto your waterline. It has a fine point. So I also used it to wing out my gel liner. I use this product so much as soon as I purchased it. It's ta-da! My Dyson Air Wrap. Aiden actually bought this for me and I love it so much. The perfect waves. It looks like I just got out from a salon and it doesn't make my hair look dry or anything. Like my hair actually looks more healthy and shiny every time I curl my hair with this. This is the newer edition, so I love how I can change this out. So it comes with 2 different sizes for the waves. Also comes with this brush, a roller brush, this. So we do have the big Dyson hair dryer, but then when I'm using that and Aiden's in a rush and he needs to dry his hair, he just dries his hair with this. So it's multifunctional. Okay guys, so that was all my best and most used products of 2024. Please let me know down in the comments some products that you used throughout the entire year. Please like this video and please subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys again on my next video. Bye guys!